Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do taxes on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone. Then, go to Money tab. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down and tap on the Taxes option. If you don't see it there, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and search for taxes, then open it. Now, if you're filing your taxes for the first time, simply tap Get Started. If you've already started your tax return before, tap Resume to continue where you left off. Next, Cash App will ask you to create a password for your tax account. This password allows you to access your tax return from another device if needed. After that, enter your basic personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and other required details. Once that's done, move to the Income section. Here, you'll need to enter all of your income information. If you're employed, select the W-2 option and enter the information from your employer's W-2 form. If you're self-employed or work as a freelancer, select the appropriate 1099 form and enter the details. If you earned bank interest or received other tax forms like 1099, INT, you can add those here as well. After entering your income, continue to the Deductions and Credits section. Here, you can add any eligible deductions such as business expenses, medical expenses, education costs, travel expenses, charitable donations, or any other deductions that apply to your situation. Simply select the category and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information. If you're looking for a specific tax form or deduction, you can use the search option to quickly find the correct section instead of scrolling through the entire list. If you'd rather continue filing your taxes on a computer, tap the desktop icon at the top of the screen. Cash App will provide instructions so you can continue the same tax return from your computer. Once you've entered all of your information, tap on Review and File. Cash App will automatically review your tax return and let you know if there are any missing details, errors, or opportunities to maximize your refund. If everything looks good, continue to the next step. Now you'll see a summary of your federal and state tax return. Now, it will ask you, enter your information, go ahead and do that. If you owe taxes, choose how you'd like to pay them. You can pay directly from your bank account, pay through the IRS website, or select another available payment option. If you're receiving a refund, choose where you want your refund deposited. You can have it sent directly to your Cash App balance, another bank account, or request a paper check by mail. After selecting your payment or refund method, review the consent page and tap Continue. Then create a 5-digit PIN to electronically sign your tax return. Finally, tap E-File to submit your taxes. Once your return has been submitted, Cash App will display the filing status and notify you when your federal and state tax returns have been accepted or if any additional information is needed. And that's it! So that's basically how you can do taxes on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.